Selena, Class 10, Chapter 9, Matrices. Third term, if A equal to 3x0 minus 1 and B equal to 9, 16, 0 minus 5, find x and y when A square equal to B. First we will find A square and then we will equal the corresponding elements. A square equal to 3x01, 3x01. Multiply 3 into 3, 9, x into 0, 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 into x, 3x. Plus x into 1, x. 3x plus x, 4x. 0 into 3, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 into x, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1 equal to 9, 4x, 0, 1. A square equal to B. So we will equalize two matrices are equal if each and every corresponding element is equal. A square 9, 4x, 0, 1 equal to B. 9, 16, 0 minus 5. Corresponding elements are equal. 4x equal to 16, x equal to 4. 1 equal to minus y equal to minus 1. Fourth sum, if x and y, find x and y if first part 4, 3x, x minus 2 into 5, 1 equal to y 8. First we will multiply these two matrices and then we will compare the corresponding elements. 4 into 5, 20 plus 3 into 3x into 1, 3x. 20 plus 3x. 5 into x, 5x minus 2 into 1, minus 2. So 5x minus 2 equal to y 8. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get 5x minus 2 equal to 8. 5x equal to 10, x equal to 2. Second corresponding element 20 plus 3x equal to y. X equal to 2, so 3 2s are 6. 20 plus 6 equal to y. Y equal to 26. Second part, x 0 minus 3 1 1 1 0 y equal to 2 2 minus 3 minus 2. First we will multiply these two matrices and then we will compare the corresponding elements. X into 1, x plus 0 into 0, 0. X plus 0 is x. X into 1, x. 0 into y, 0. X plus 0 equal to x. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Plus 1 into 0, 0. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 1 into y plus y. Minus 3 plus y equal to 2 2 minus 3 minus 2. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get x equal to 2, x equal to 2, minus 3 plus y equal to minus 2, y equal to 1. Fifth sum, if A equal to 1 3 2 4 and B equal to 1 2 4 3 and C equal to 4 3 1 2, find A into B into C. Bracket is here, so first we will multiply A into B. Whatever the result answer is there, we will multiply it with C. A into B equal to 1 3 2 4. B is 1 2 4 3. Multiplication 1 into 1, 1. 3 4s are 12. 1 plus 12, 13. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 3, 9. 2 plus 9, 11. 2 into 1, 2. 4 into 4, 16. 2 plus 16, 18. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 4 into 3, 12. 4 plus 12, 16. So AB equal to 13, 11, 18 and 16, which we will write here, into C matrix, which is 4, 3, 1, 2. Now we will multiply this two matrix. 13 into 4, 52, plus 11 into 1, 11. 52 plus 11 equal to 63. 13 into 3, 39, plus 11 into 2, 22. 39 plus 22, 61. 18 into 4, 72, plus 16 into 1, 16. 72 plus 16, 88. 18 into 3, 54, plus 16 into 2, 32. 54 plus 32, 86. Hence, the answer of AB into C is 63, 61, 88, 86. Second part, which is AB into BC. Bracket is there in BC. So first we have to multiply B and C matrices. Whatever the result answer is there, here we will multiply it by A. Hence, first B into C equal to 1, 2, 4, 3 into 4, 3, 1, 2 equal to 1 4s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 into 4, 16 plus 3 into 1, 3. 16 plus 3, 19. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 12 plus 6, 18. So BC equal to 6, 7, 19, 18. Now we will pre-multiply by A. So first we will write A matrix and then BC matrix. So 1, 3, 2, 4 into 6, 7, 19, 18 equal to 1 6 are 6 plus 3 into 19, 57. 6 plus 57 equal to 63. 1 into 7, 7 plus 3 into 18, 54. 7 plus 54, 61. 2 into 6, 12 plus 4 into 19, 76. 12 plus 76 equal to 88. 2 7s are 14 plus 4 18s are 72. 14 plus 72, 86. Hence, A into B into C equal to 63, 61, 88, 86. Hence, A into BC equal to AB into C. Sum number 6, given A equal to 0, 4, 6, 3, 0, minus 1 and B equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 5, minus 6. Is the following possible? AB. First is AB. Here number of rows is 2, number of column 3. So 2 into 3. Here 3 into 2. So number of columns equal to number of row. So it is possible. Now we will do the multiplication. First we will write A matrix, then B matrix. 0 into 0, 0. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. 6 into minus 5, minus 30. Minus 4, minus 30, minus 34. 0 into 1, 0. 4 2s are 8. 6 into minus 6, minus 36. 8 minus 36, minus 28. 3 into 0, 0. 0 into minus 1, 0. Minus 1 into minus 5, plus 5. 0 minus 0, 0. Plus 5, plus 5. 3 into 1, 3. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 1 into minus 6, plus 6. 3 plus 6, 9. Therefore, matrix AB equal to minus 34, minus 28, 5, 9. B into A. So first we will write B matrix, that is 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 5, minus 6, and then A 0, 4, 6, 3, 0, minus 1. Here number of rows is 2, number of columns are 2, number of rows are 2. So multiplication is possible. Equal to 0 into 0, 0. 0, 1 into 3, 3. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 into 4, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Minus 1 into, 0 into 6, 0. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1 into 0, 0. 2 3s are 6. 0 plus 6, 6. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 2 into 0, 0. Minus 4 plus 0, minus 4. Minus 5 into 6. Second we are doing. So minus 1 into 6, minus 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2, minus 8. Same way, now third row, minus 5 into 0, 0. Minus 6 into 3, minus 18. 0 minus 18 is minus 18. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Minus 6 into 0, 0. So minus 20 minus 0, minus 20. Minus 5 into 6, minus 30. Minus 6 into minus 1, plus 6. Minus 30 plus 6 equal to minus 24. Hence, BA equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 6, minus 4, minus 8, minus 18, minus 20, minus 24. A square. Product A square is not possible as numbers of columns in matrix A is not equal to its numbers of rows.